Welcome to another week of Ask Henna Sooq series right here on the YouTube channel. My name is Khadija and welcome to the Henna Sooq channel. I specialize in henna natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and you'll see me doing some gorgeous henna and jago body art as well. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. We got Torella the Goddess. Okay, Torella. And she asks, can I dye my hair platinum blonde with henna? That is a very good question. Unfortunately, no, you cannot, because henna dyes the hair usually red ranges. And if your hair is already really light, or like you have a lot of gray and your hair is blonde even, you are gonna get a very bright orangey type of tone. So I wouldn't recommend it unless you're going for that tone. I mean, it's gorgeous and you can definitely do that, but henna is not a chemical. So even if your hair is darker, it won't strip your natural hair color out. It's not gonna make it like platinum blonde. Cassia even can't push platinum blonde tones. It gives you more of like a golden kind of yellow tone. So you can't get that tone unless you go ahead and use chemicals instead. Next question comes from Lily of the Forest. And her question is, are there any masks to make wavy hair even curlier? So like just give you that volume and give you that boom on the curls? Yes, absolutely. You know, what would I recommend specifically? Ziziphus powder, Ziziphus hair mask, or Ziziphus hair wash. All those products are gonna help really tighten up those curls. Even amla, if you're using amla powder as a mask, while you're getting that hair growth, it's gonna tighten your curls and make it more defined and formed. It's really gonna uplift them. And also, if you use our African shebe powder and you do like a treatment and you leave that in for a few hours, you're gonna see those curls are gonna be defined and fuller, richer. It's really gonna help enhance curls. So definitely use those 3 herbs in your regimen to get curlier hair. So I want to thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget that if you need an answer like right now, just go to the chat that we have on hennasooq.com and you can get an answer right away on any questions that you have. And I will see you next time. Stay tuned for more.